Hey, what's up, YouTube? I'm back. So, yesterday was Father's Day. I went out, like I said. My plan was to sell these. I had 6 greeting cards for Father's Day. I was trying to sell them and make a profit. I got them at the Dollar Tree for 50 cents. Invested $3, and I was looking forward to flip it into $12, selling it at $2. So I'm gonna let you know, guys, how to go. Yesterday I was not having a really good day, so I started working really late. I started working at 6. I know that's extremely late, but I figure, at 6 probably I can catch a few people that are going to their parents, aunts, and things like that. Father's dinner. Like, I thought there were probably gonna be people like going out for dinner and things like that. So I figured, I could probably sell to those. So this is what happened, right? I got there. The first passenger gets into the car, and I talked to him. And how's your Father's Day going? He's not so happy. He's complaining about Father's Day. He's like, oh, on Father's Day we have to do, basically what your family wants to do. But for Mother's Day, it's like whatever the mother wants to do. And, like, it looked to me like he was having a bad day. So I don't want to be like, hey, do you want to buy some Father's Day greeting cards for your friends, brothers, and whatnot? So I figured like I'll probably talk to him a little more. So I spoke to him a little more, and he was telling me like how his business going, and I was like, oh, it's going okay. It's Father's Day, probably I'll have a lot of rides. And I'm like, by the way, I'm selling these for Father's Day. They're greeting cards. Boom, boom, boom. He didn't even acknowledge that. Like, he didn't even say anything. And then the rest of the people, I was just like, hey, by the way, I'm selling Father's Day greeting card. And I had like around 10 passengers. And of course, some of those passengers, there were like 2 people and whatnot. And none sell. Like, to be honest, no one that got in my car yesterday was talking about Father's Day. No one was talking about Father's Day. No one was on like, oh, today is Father's Day. We doing this. Like, oh, I just got this gift from my father. Like, none of my passenger talked about Father's Day or anything like that. Honestly, like, Father's Day is like not like a real holiday. It's just like whatever, man. Like, yo, I didn't see a single person holding like a bag, like a look like it was like a gift. In the other hand, for Mother's Day, like, yo, I went out on Mother's Day. I sold $300 worth of flowers. I was selling flowers at $20 and $10. I was not able to make a profit because I had too much merchandise, and it was raining. But people were buying flowers for their mother, aunt, friends. People were spending money, but for Father's Day, that was not the case. I made $0. So that goes to tell you, Father's Day is not a good day to try to sell a product. Something as simple as a greeting card that said Happy Father's Day, Like, I was not able to make a sale. I was not able to make a sale. So there you have it, guys. That's the video. What's the next holiday coming up? Is 4th of July. I want to see if I can come up with something to sell, and I'll make a video about it. And I'm gonna try to make videos where it's like you guys can actually see me like attempting to sell this. Okay, I feel like Like that'll be better and more inspirational for you guys. Okay guys, that's the video for today. I'll see you on the next video. Bye.